Myself Nilima Gupta. Today I am going to discuss about transportation in human beings. In higher organisms, various substances such as oxygen, carbon dioxide, digested food, hormones, excretory products, etc. are transported by a specialized transport system. In human beings, there are two circulatory systems. First, blood vascular system. Second, lymphatic system. The blood vascular system comprises heart is a pumping organ, blood is a fluid, and blood vessels which consist of arteries, veins, and capillaries. Artery. Artery having narrow lumen, it consists of thick elastic wall and carry oxygenated blood. You can see through this example. It is an example for artery having narrow lumen or space that is surrounded by thick elastic wall. Second, vein. Vein having less thickened, less elastic, having wide lumen. You can see through this. It has wide space that is called lumen, surrounded by less thickened wall. It is an example of vein. Now, capillaries. Narrow blood vessels having fine pores or the vessels or the wall are perforated. Now, blood. As we know that blood is a fluid, in adult human, it has 5 to 6 liters of blood. It is red in color due to presence of hemoglobin. Blood consists of 55% plasma and 45% blood corpuscles. Plasma consists of 92% water and 8% solid. This solid consists of protein, nutrients, inorganic salts, hormones and heparin, etc. Heparin is an anticoagulant which prevents to clot the blood. Now blood corpuscles are of three types: RBC, red blood corpuscles or erythrocytes; WBC, white blood corpuscles or leukocytes; blood platelets also called thrombocytes. RBC or red blood corpuscles are circular, biconcave in shape. It is enucleate, that means without nucleus. It consists of red in color or consists of reddish pigment that is called hemoglobin. Hemo means iron and globin means protein. The lifespan of RBC are 120 days. The function of RBC to carry oxygen. Healthy male should have 15 milligram out of 100 milliliter of blood. Healthy female should have 12 to 13 milligram out of 100 milliliter of blood. WBC are irregular, colorless, nucleated. It is of 5000 to 800 per milliliter of blood. The lifespan of WBC is 12 hours to several days. The main function of WBC to kill the germs or fight against diseases. Now blood platelets. It is colorless, non-nucleated, having various shape. The lifespan of blood platelets is about 7 to 10 days. It helps in blood clotting. Now, types of WBC. There are two types of WBC, granulocyte and agranulocyte. Granulocyte possesses granules in their cytoplasm. Agranulocyte, that means absence of granules in their cytoplasm. Granulocyte is of three types. Neutrophil, it has multi-lobed nucleus. It plays important role in our immune system. Eosinophil having horseshoe-shaped nucleus, it is participated in immediate allergic reaction. Basophil having S-shaped nucleus. The main function of basophil to prevent blood from clotting. Now, agranulocyte is of two types, monocyte and lymphocyte. Monocyte help to remove dead or damaged tissue. Lymphocyte produce antibodies and destroy cells that cause damage. That's all for today.